It's either gonna be really great or really bad. Let's find out. This is exciting. I have never worn hair extensions. I've never worn a wig. I like to play things a little too safe when it comes to my hair because I like what I like, but I've been seeing these halo hair extensions for years. Believe it or not, I actually fell victim to one of those really ridiculous Instagram ads. It's either gonna be really great or really bad. Let's find out. So it comes in a clear bag. Let's see what we got. It kind of looks orange under this light, which is really strange because earlier it looked pretty good. All right, so I'm about to try it on, but before I do, I wanna brush it out. I'm gonna put some dry shampoo in it, which is hopefully gonna cut out the shine. So you wanna go kind of in the middle, and then you're gonna wanna just tuck it like this and adjust it to whatever fits your head. This feels really snug, it feels really secure. And what we're gonna do is kind of overlap our hair to cover the string. Oh gosh, I don't know. Okay, so there's obviously a huge difference between my hair and the length of the extensions. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the extensions. I'm gonna take off, I think, about that much. You know what? Good old kitchen scissors is what we're gonna go with. Oh Lord, be with me. Oh my gosh, this is so bad. That is so bad. Trial and error, kids. Better. Suckers are hard to cut. Summer, why didn't you go to cosmetology school? I wonder why. Okay, but we're gonna make it work. We are dedicated, we are committed. We're gonna curl it. It probably would have been a lot smarter to cut it and style it not on my head, but why do things the easy way? Ow, 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 ow. This is why. So far, it's not really curling. Attempt number 1 was a huge fail, but we're gonna try attempt number 2 using these bad boys, these hot rollers. They never let me down. Let's see if they actually work. Okay, so I just finished putting the hair extensions in rollers, so we're gonna check back in like 15 minutes. I'll see you then. I 150% completely lost hope. I was thinking if it wasn't even gonna curl with a curling iron, why would it curl with rollers? It worked. So I guess the trick when you're dealing with hair extension, at least this specific kind, is that you wanna hold the heat. Okay, so now that we have it curled, let's see how it actually looks on. All right guys, so this is it. It definitely is adding a lot more volume to my hair. I'm having a lot of issues with the band actually staying in place. So I don't know if I just need to play with the adjustment some more, but I love how much volume it gives me. I feel like my hair feels a lot more full, which I've never really had. Good or bad, I really wanted to show you guys what this halo extension is all about. Definitely leave comments down below and let me know what you think about this look. If you're new here, definitely hit that subscribe button and join the family. Thank you so much for watching. Every like, view, and comment just means the absolute world to me because I love you guys so very much. Until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.